Verifying your bank account with BNC National Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is properly verified. Step 1. Gather required information. Before you begin the verification process, collect all necessary information such as your account number, social security number, and any identification documents that may be required. Step 2. Access online banking. Visit the BNC National Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to account verification. Once logged in, look for the account verification section. This may be found under account settings or security settings. Click on the relevant link to start the verification process. Step 4. Submit verification documents. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm verification status. After submitting your documents, check back in the account verification section to see the status of your verification. You may receive an email confirmation once your account has been successfully verified. Completing these steps will help you verify your account with BNC National Bank efficiently. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.